So today is Monday, March 21st, and you already know you have a sub. There are two assignments today. One is called Rule of Thirds and Point of View. The other is called Pen Tool Exercises. The Rule of Thirds, I have some videos down here that goes over the subject matter with you and tells you how to do the assignment. And then on pen tool exercises, I have a download here, a video that shows you how to do the assignment. And this is for anybody that's at home, is not working on Adobe Illustrator. You could do it on Photopea. For this assignment right here, you're going to be using the pen tool with no fill color and a blue stroke set to 4 points to trace the images that this download right here, this one right here. There's a how-to video, that's this one I just mentioned. You want to start that at 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Everything before that, up until that point, is stuff that you already understand about Adobe Illustrator, so do not worry about that. The points on this project depend on accuracy. So here's some tips that you really need to know when working on this. This is the original size. Now, if I move to Adobe Illustrator, some of you, when you open it, will get this large artboard. This is what the canvas is called in Adobe Illustrator. It's called an artboard. And what you need to do is you go to the toolbar on the left side. Right above the magnifying glass, the zoom tool, right above that is one called the artboard tool. Looks like that right there. I'm going to click on that. When I click on that, you'll notice that the big, large artboard has a bounding box. If you go to the upper right-hand corner where that square is, you can click and drag. Make sure that you'll watch the arrow switch when I get to the corner. It should look like that, pointed up to the right, down to the left. Click and drag down into that corner. It should snap to the upper right corner. And then you need to come over here and make sure it's the correct looking drag sort of situation and snap it to the bottom left-hand corner. That's how you fix that artboard situation. When you are working on this, remember you need a blue stroke, no fill. The blue stroke is at 4 points. But the main thing I really want you to know is to zoom in. You could either click on the zoom tool and just click to, sorry, I didn't click on the zoom tool. Just click and click and click. If you want to zoom out, hold down Option, it'll zoom out. You can also get to that tool by pressing Z, and those little shortcuts are right here. Zoom is Z, H is hand, P is pen. It's important that you zoom in, especially on this one right here. This is so hard to do unless you are not very much so zoomed in. You're going to click, click, and then do the corners for these. You got to be pretty close for that. Okay, if you don't do these assignments, you'll get placed on the, you'll get removed from the exemption if you're exempt from the project that's happening over spring break. Make sure you do this, and I will see you on Wednesday.